Alright you guys, another Wildebeest garage side job for Side Honey. So this time we're going to be fixing this door hinge. If you lift it up, a little bit of play, go to close it. It doesn't quite line up. That's because this hinge right here is sagging. Sagging because they overextended the hinge. So let me show you what's going on. Right in here, I had already replaced it with some cheaper hinges and bushings. And now we're going to go a little bit stronger. We're going to go with these. Kind of bolt in a little bit tighter of a space. So let's get to it.
Welcome to Wildebeest Garage.
Okay, first we're going to take this panel off right here. Once you take that panel off, we're going to disconnect this connector right here. Take this other panel off. And basically just trace this wire all the way back. Like I said, it's this connector right here. Undo that. I'll just go ahead and clip that. Okay, then you're gonna come inside. Come inside here with this boot. Just kind of break that seal like that. And you'll rotate this around. Pop those tabs in, slide that out. Pull this harness out. Like that. And then these are all 10mm bolts right here. Then you'll just take it, grab it by the handle, lift up and set it down. So the factory ones, I cut the rivet off right here because they were riveted in. This one has quite a bit more play. Because like I said, they've been overextending it. This bottom bracket's not that bad, but this top one is the one with the biggest problems. Now this is what happens when you open up the door and you just let the door stop itself. So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna put a tighter one in there. These ones have the little poodle clips. The reason why it's called a poodle clip is because, you know, looks like a poodle. These ones I should be able to work out like that. See, and they had overextended it so much that it broke the brass bushing. See how this top one is? Maybe. That one came apart too. So yeah, it's just basically the same thing as putting the other bushings in. Let's try these ones, the new bushings. See if I can get a little bit longer life out of them. Then you're gonna go with the one with the bolt, the rivet or the splines, the shoulder, and then the bolt down first. Slide this in here like this. That. And the same thing on the other side. And they gave you these washers. These washers and nuts. Let's find out what size socket that is. Yeah, and you're gonna put them together. one's probably a hair too tight. So we'll go ahead and loosen that one up. And let's see if we can tighten up this top one. That should be good right there. Let's put it back together. Just like that. I might feed this through just like we did on the other one. Feed this through just like we did at the beginning. That. I guess if you really wanted to, you could probably put that boot on first. Like this. Just like that. Clip that in like that. All right, let's try her out. No play. Super good. Everything's tight. All right, now we're just gonna go back in and hook everything up. This strut wire right here is for his alarm. I'll go ahead and hook that up. And these clips right here. Go back in. Same thing with this clip. Just slide right back in. You tuck your wires underneath. Like that. You got this panel. That's going to slide back in. And then this goes back in. There you guys have it. Door hinge complete. Helps to buy the right part at the right time. So if you guys like this stuff, Wildebeest Garage. If you guys don't, that's fine. Hopefully it helps. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Like I always say, get out there and do something. Doesn't matter what it is, just get out there. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.
Get out there and do something. It doesn't matter what it is. Just get out there and do something.